God bless everyone. I will be the first reporter for this morning. My topic is all about pair tutoring. Pair tutoring is a flexible pair mediated strategy that involves students serving as academic tutors and tutees. A higher performing student is paired with a lower performing student to receive critically academic or behavioral concept. Its goal is to create self-managed learners with high self-esteem by allowing 2016. So, pair tutoring is kanang kuan siya kanang i-pair ang student i-pair siya o kanang lower performing student. So, para ang student para isa ka student nga lower siya ay kanang lower performing student makakuha siya og kuan o learning sa iyang by partnering na higher performing student. So there are three pair tutoring may be in any of the following. So there are three kinds of pair tutoring. Number one is same age pair tutoring. This is an approach wherein one child instruct another child on materials on wherein the first is an expert and the second is a novice. So, in this is a number one, same age pair tutoring. Example, in reading, si student with high performing student kay nagkuan siya nag-read loud. Dayon si lower student kanang nagkuan siya naminaw pa siya. Dayon pwede po sila mag-change o rules. Pwede si higher performing student nag-read siya og loud. So balo na si student how ay paunsa i-read ang gina-read ni student number 1 nakakuha na siya ay si higher performer instruct na niya on how to read for example the story. Dayon si lower performer student kay pwede na dayon siya mag-change sila of rules. And the second one is cross-age pair tutoring. To teach or review a skill or the older students are paired with younger students. The rules of tutor and tutees remain unchanged. The older student acts as the tutor while the younger student serve. So, in this second pair tutoring is kanang si student i-pair siya o mas niya karang dako niya og age. So aron si student nga younger kay makakuan pud siya maka-gain pud siya og knowledge sa older student. Then the third one is class-wide pair tutoring. This is based on reciprocal pair tutoring in group reinforcement, in which a full classroom of students actively participate in the process of simultaneously acquiring and participating basic academic abilities by Goldstadt in 1993. So, in the third one is class-wide pair tutoring. Mura siya o kanang group bale. So, in the kanang di ba pair tutoring. So, in this case kanang mura by group sila ba. In this case kanang magyatagan sila og kuan teacher kanang activity or something nga within the group, pwede kapon sila mag-partnering sila ba? For example, when ihatagan ni Ihatagan nimo sila og math activity. So within the group, pwede strategy na nila basta in a group sila, pero okay ra nga mag-discuss sila by 2 ba or by 3. And then the benefits of pair tutoring. Learners perceive tutors who are their peers since they are cognitive and socially connected. So, the benefits of pair tutoring. Number 1 is kanang si student pwede siya makipag-partner sa iyahang close friends or iyahang friends sa room. Then the second one, it is a successful method of enhancing student achievement, particularly for students who are at risk of dropping out, who have been identified as having a poor academic learning performance. So, pwede po ang benefit po sa pair tutoring is si student nga katong lowest kayo kanang dili kay performer sa room, pwede siya i-paired atong kanang higher performer student. So, kanang para ma-motivate po si student to study. Okay. Third one, many kids perform better in brief and in structured pair tutoring programs. Better in brief and structured pair tutoring programs. So many of sa elementary daghan yung student ay dili sa elementary ginapaan yun ang program na pair tutoring. So para pag maka-benefits ang mga bata na katong lower performing student na maka-pair sila o mga higher performing student. So the fourth one is student benefits academically from practice and in paired language that is understandable to them. So dapat mag-pair ka og student, dapat yun kanang maka-andit sila maka-communicate to each other, kan makasabot si student 1 and student 2. Then the fourth, and the last one is improve tutor to the discipline, self-esteem, cooperation, and pair relationship. So, ang benefit po sa pair tutoring is ma-improve ni student ang iyahang self-discipline, then self-esteem, cooperation, and pair relationship. So, okay, di pa partner man mo sila, so ang bata nga kanang ulawon, dili na kayo siya kanang maulaw kay na naman siya naka-pair naman siya og kanang student nga example, i-pair nimo si top 1 og si pinaka lower na student. So si top 1 iya ginang ginatuduan si lower performing student
Para makasabot si
yes. So, maka-gain sila of cooperation, may kinabangay, then pair relationship, and thus the guidelines in conducting pair tutoring. Determine the learner's individual skill for each subject that requires development. Skill for each subject that requires development. So sa pair tutoring, ang student makakuha na sila, maka-gain na sila o kanang learning about another subject sa example sa English. Sa English imo si teacher kay ipa-pair ang mga student sa subject ng English. So So, mag-discuss man na sila as a partner. So, nana sila ikuan, nana sila kanang
Develop at
ma-develop na ilahang learning anang subject. So, B, create a schedule for the pair tutoring activity and identify tutors and topics ahead of time. So, ikaw as a teacher, dapat ahead of time, dili kay kanang nag-pair na kanila, dapat imuha silang hatagan o kanang assign nga kani si tutor si student number 1 mo ni siya ang tutor. Example, this is student number 2 kay mo ni siya ang tuti or ang student. Then C, provide explicit instruction on what and how to execute the identified activity, who to tutor, and how to deal with the tuti. So, kailangan si teacher mo provide siya of instruction. So, para ang student kay dili siya maligo kung sa iyang rule o kung sa ilang buhaton. I-identify dapat ni teacher nga kani si student number 1 mao ni siya ang tutor, then si student number 2 mao ni siya ang tuti. And D, prior to the activity, identify specific learning activities, supplies, and proper tutoring behavior. So, dapat si teacher mo instruct yun sa student nga ikaw student number 1, tutor man ka, dapat ingana imong himuon aron si tuti makasabot sa imong i-discuss. Dapat i-instruct yun ni teacher kung unsa ang buhaton ni student as a tutor. Okay. E, if necessary, create individual modules and worksheets for pupils. So as a teacher, so dapat yun atagan nato sila ay dili necessary yun nga naa sila kanang worksheet or module nga buhaton. Yes. F is plan learning assignment that begin at the learner's basic level of ability and progress to more advanced one. So, si teacher dapat maghatag siya og assignment that begins at the learner's basic level of ability. So, dapat si teacher mohatag si teacher og assignment dapat makaya ra gyud ni student. And the last one, provide the tutoring activity feedback and keep a record of the student's activity. So the last one is, okay, dapat si teacher, naghatag na siya activity, dapat maghatag siya og feedback aron si students or ang mga student, kabalo sila kung unsay angay i-improve or unsay angay i-change ba or unsay angay i-apply nga strategy. Sa sunod na pod bilang by pair or yes, by pair. Yes, that's what we all thank you.